All right, yeah. Hope everybody's doing good. This is a pastel piece I've been working on. Just trying to finishing it, putting some finishing touches on it here. It's been going on for a little bit, but I'm just gonna kind of get in. Definitely creepy stuff happening here, but that's all right. That's always a lot of fun. So you can do so many different things. Once you get into that genre, more of the strange or horror, which is something I love. But yeah, so I'm gonna just start getting in here and highlighting some of these areas, enhancing some of the colors, adding us some detail, and then yeah, we should be good. So let me just take a quick look here. We got our kind of skeletal horse here. Get some darkening in here. Let's see here. Okay. Got some stone back in here. I'm just gonna accentuate slightly, but we don't want to go too bold. And nice thing about that, you could really just do minor shapes and just kind of get in there. There's no right or wrong at this point when you're that far in the distance there. Um, we got our bookcases too down here, so you can see that's all highlighted. Um, these characters were all just kind of came about while doing this piece. So I'm just going to add some enhancements to the hood of this interesting creature, spirit. Soften it out a little bit, and you could always come in with the pinky is nice. I know there's tools you can use too, but for me, just today, I'm gonna just use the hand. Make sure I don't touch any white walls or anything. Okay. Kind of just add that texture in there. Gives it a little extra dimension. I'm going to move into some of this pastel I have, the dry pastel, see if we can get some of these yellows highlighted around. Almost gives a glowing effect when you kind of step back, especially on with contrast with that nice solid black charcoal. So you can definitely do a lot of cool stuff with just contrast itself. Oop. And then one thing it's always nice you get back in here, re-emphasize the charcoal, and it really stands out. And up here where we touched, you see that? Just a nice solid line. Looks good there. So yeah, definitely a lot of things happening here. Add a little something here. Lighten that up. Just hover around a little bit. Right. So yeah, we got a few different things, but this is near complete. So I just wanted to kind of do a quick intro video, just showing a few different things. Well, one thing we can do there, just our good friend, the old eraser, so you can kind of get in, remove space. Oh, there you go. This way we get a nice solid line there, straight. When you're dealing with these old kind of castles or haunted house mansion, whatever you want to call it, you definitely get away with a rougher look in certain areas. So yeah, it's always definitely a fun area to kind of get into. But yeah, so that's kind of where we're at here with almost this finalization. Some heavy cuts coming down this way. It's just old. All right. Get some enhancements here. All right. So definitely a lot of things we can do. Just gonna extend some of these points. And yeah, I think feel free to check out some more posts. This one might be ongoing, but we'll have a few more things happening. And thank you for your time, and keep on drawing. All right.